In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then tap right here to head over to menu. Then tap at that gear to move on to the settings and privacy. And then tap right here to head over to Meta Account Center. Once you are at Meta Account Center, tap at Personal Details, then Account Ownership and Control, and that's where you can easily find deactivation or deletion. Then select your Facebook account. On that step, we need to choose whether we would like to deactivate or delete our account. If we choose deactivate account, our account will be hidden from Facebook, including all our profile information, our name, profile picture, all our media content. However, in any time we'll be able to recover our account. Otherwise, deleting an account is permanent. When we delete our account, we won't be able to retrieve the content or information we have shared on Facebook. Your main profile, your messenger, and all of your messages, as well as media content, will also be deleted. To continue, select Delete Account and then tap at Continue. On that step, it says that deleting your account will also delete your other additional Facebook profiles as well as pages, and here we got the list of our pages. To continue, we need to tap at that button. On that step, we can select some reason why we would like to delete our account, or we can just tap at Continue to skip this step. On that step, we are prompted to deactivate our account instead of deletion to keep Messenger. If you really would like to keep your Messenger, tap at Deactivate Account and then continue with deactivation. If we scroll down below, it allows us to save posts in our archive. Also, in here, we can download our Facebook information, including photos and posts. Just tap at Download Info before you delete your account to get all your media content and posts. After that, once you are done with that, tap at Continue. On the next step, you will be asked to enter your Facebook password. Just enter it in that text field and then tap at Continue. On that final step, it says that we are about to schedule our account for permanent deletion. Once we tap at Delete Account, our account will be hidden from Facebook up to 30 days. So it actually will be deactivated in that time. So in that 30 days, we'll be able to get it back or recover it. After the 30 days has passed, we won't be able to recover it because our account will be permanently deleted. To continue, tap at that button. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.